Hey guys, Patrick Donovan, HAAF Realty, part of the Johnson Group, out here in Rice Hope. I'm doing a Lewis floor plan model from DR Horton. This is a 3-bedrooms, 2-bath home, under 300,000 square feet. This is one of their cottage lines. I had a client that bought one of these, wanted to see it staged, so I figured why not show everybody? So let's check it out. All right, here we go. Here is the home. There's the lake right there. Actually, my clients are gonna be on the lake. That's gonna be fantastic. Ian, if you're watching this, what's up? Nikita, if you're watching this, what's up? Well, you'll be watching it. But here, let's check this out. Look at that. Here's the foyer and you walk in. I love showing homes that are staged because it kind of gives you a good feel for what it looks like with furniture. But look at this. Love the living room, open to the kitchen. Stainless steel appliances come with this home. Not all new construction homes come with a fridge, but they are. And for my clients, they got $9,500 in closing cost incentives. That's the deal going on here this month for the rest of the month. So if you're looking to buy a new home, I mean, you get $9,500 back if you're in the military, teacher, or first responder. If you're none of those things, then you get $8,500 with subgrade. That should take care of almost all of your closing costs. I like this front room right there. Check out this closet while we're at it. Boom, closet. And then I want to come down here. Here we go. Got the bathroom right here, the guest bathroom, shower tub combo, LVP floors going through here. We're just gonna hit them as they come. Here's the other room. Nice size. And so these are the cottage lines. Okay. They are building the 42s and 52s on the other side of our community, but this side is the cottages, which it circles a lake. It's pretty awesome. I think the DR Horton sales representative has convinced me to get a kayak. Here is the primary bedroom, and of course they try to make the primary bedrooms as big as possible because they know, you know, a lot of people sometimes will spend a lot of time in their primary bedrooms, so it's a good size. It's 1,257 square feet. There's a dual vanity right there. You got your shower right there. Hold up, let me see. Bang, and then you got your large closet. Once again, I think there's all the DR Horton bags right there. I like the way they use the space. They really kind of make an effort for the owners to be comfortable, you know, in their living space. So I really like that. And then when you come, I'm just gonna go, yeah, we'll go out the back. This is the model. So well, let me get this pantry real quick. This is the model home, so whatever home you decide to buy will not be on this lot, okay? But you will be by the lake over here. Either way, you'll be within walking distance of the lake, which is really nice. I have not really taken advantage of this lake. I live here, but I haven't really taken advantage of it, which only because I live on Parkside. This is called Lakeside. I got the park on my side. They got the lake on their side. It's beautiful. I'm just gonna show you this lake real quick. So my clients, let's go walk over to their lot, and then other lots that'll be coming up in there. If you're not familiar with the Rice Hope community, love this community. We moved here about 2 years ago, and coming from the south side, well, let's say south side, midtown, everybody has their interpretation. We're right by Hunter Army Airfield because I was in the Army, and there's, if you can hear it, jets are flying overhead. They're having an exercise out here called the Century Exercise. As we come around the corner over here, you will see there's a lot more to the community than just the model. Ba-boom. And somewhere around here is where the house is going to be. So look at that, and the lake. And they're going to be putting a walk around all the way around the lake, which is pretty cool. This is a walkable neighborhood. I mean, they got sidewalks everywhere. Love that if you like walking your dog or your cat. Be careful. There are some alligators that roam about in this area. So, you know, just be on alert. But look at that. Beautiful. So that was the Lewis floor plan by DR Horton. If you guys have any questions about Rice Hope, DR Horton, or any homes in the area, I can help you out. You just give me a call at 912-657-3544. Talk soon. Bye.